Hi, and welcome to the Essential Emotions Reference app. Our team is so glad that you're here. I'm going to take just a minute to introduce you to how to use this app. This is a reference guide. It's a great way for you to understand how to use your oils for emotional support. So say I get my new bottle of lemon oil. I can go onto the app and click on lemon. And I can understand that lemon is a great support for feelings of nervousness. The app will tell me how to apply the oil and give me some other tools if I'm ready to process those feelings. So it's just a great app to help you understand all the oils and how the emotional properties of those. Now the second way you can use this app, if you want to dig a little bit deeper, will help you feel better and support you in feeling better. So the second way is to help you identify what you're feeling and how to process it out. And we do that in 3 ways. You have 3 options depending on what works best for you. So those 3 options match with the 3 tabs on the app. The first tab is the emotion tab. So this is the one where you can look up exactly how you're feeling. This one you would use if you could identify what you're feeling in a given moment. So say you've just moved somewhere and you're feeling the emotion of feeling lost and you're very clear on what you're feeling. You can look up that emotion. It will give you a definition for that, providing you with some more understanding of what you're feeling. It will help you know what oils will support feelings of feeling lost. And it will also give you tools to process through that. So once you're aware, that's the first step, is being aware of how you're feeling. And the second step is processing through that. So you can ask some questions that help you understand where you're at. You can know where to apply your oil. It will also give you recommendations for a visualization or meditation. Our latest research shows that the brain cannot differentiate between what's in our head and reality. So providing yourself with your own visualization is really helpful to processing. And the last one is an affirmation, so that you can choose what to replace that emotion with. You can choose how you want to feel. So that's the first tab. The second one is when you choose the essential oil. So this one, say you're feeling drawn to a certain oil. Like the other night I felt drawn to helichrysum oil. So I pulled that out and I was able to look up the emotional property of that. That helped me identify what I was feeling. Now that one's really good for feelings of shock, right? And I was able to look through my day and realize, yeah, I'd had some feelings of being in shock that day. And it told me where to put the oil. And once again, the processing tools, the questions I asked, the image for my mind, and the affirmation to help me process through that. So the third way you can identify how you're feeling and process through it is on the body tab. Now this tab is great if you're not really feeling drawn to a specific oil and you're not quite sure what emotion is bothering you. This one you can click on the body system maybe that's pulling up for you. So say your shoulders are feeling really tense. Well, you can click on shoulders. You can understand that oftentimes if we're feeling tension in our shoulders, we may be experiencing feelings of being overwhelmed or overburdened. So that's a great one to help you identify what you're feeling just from your body triggers. So I might go on there and realize, yeah, I am feeling some overburdened. Here's the oils I can use to apply to my shoulders. Here's questions I can ask myself, like, hey, am I taking on other people's emotions perhaps? There's just some great tools to help you understand how you're feeling and process through it. So hopefully that helps you as you use this great tool.